第11届万锦亚洲美食节于6月29日揭幕，吸引了大批市民前往。3级政府官员和商户代表出席了剪彩仪式。
From across the GTA and beyond to our CIBC Taste of Asia 2013. Well, get ready for a very unforgettable weekend. It's our pleasure to host Canada's largest Asian festival. As the mayor mentioned, it has been growing bigger and better for the past 10 years. When it began in 2003, it was just an event to bring us together in response to the SARS outbreak. Now has become a tradition celebrating Asian diversity in the Canadian communities.
And I want to acknowledge the Consuls General and all of the dignitaries. There are so many dignitaries here and so many important people, but I want to say that I am most impressed by the young people who are here, because it is the young people who are our future. It is the young people who are going to benefit from a strong community. And I want to just say that it is wonderful that this organization and this event brings people of all ages together to celebrate together. So thank you so much to you young guys.
Asian festival in all of Canada.
Count
and
down.
On a count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
为了庆祝加拿大与韩国建交50周年，更多韩国风尚与美食融入本年的活动当中。当晚的中韩演唱会曲曲迷人，令人怦然心动。第一部分是韩国青春活力歌舞比赛，他们精湛的表演获得阵阵掌声。
Congratulations!
Right. 这个我们今天这个万锦市亚洲食品节啊，非常高兴有这么多的华人来，而且非常高兴的看到有这么多加拿大当地的朋友来。我觉得今天呢是展示我们亚洲文化，特别是中国文化的一个极好的机会。我特别感谢呢万锦市市政府以及我们所有的华人，像吴先生啊等等主办这场活动。我代表总领馆表示祝贺。
看看我们的Dr. Ken Ng 呢，他这么多年的努力在这里能够有个真的很火爆的活动啊！还有啊，今天晚上这个从中国来的很出名的歌唱家就在这里表演了，所以明天的很多其他的活动希望多多出来，在万锦市共同度过一个愉快的美食节，还有度过一个愉快的 Canada Day 了。
流行歌手伍尚杰和周少琴的演唱，拉开了中文演唱会的序幕。万锦市市长薛家平的一曲《月亮代表我的心》，将晚会推向第一个高潮。中国好声音张伟名不虚传，献唱多首非他莫属的嗨歌，将当晚的表演推向了最高潮。